Despite India categorically denying any third party involvement in resolving the recent crisis with Pakistan, Islamabad is planning to officially nominate US President Donald Trump for the Nobel Peace Prize for his diplomatic intervention. In a post on X, the Pakistan government said, the government of Pakistan has decided to formally recommend President Donald Trump for the 2026 Nobel Peace Prize in recognition of his diplomatic intervention and leadership during the recent India-Pakistan crisis. Pakistan said it admires Trump's offers to resolve the India-Pakistan crisis. President Trump's leadership during the 2025 Pakistan-India crisis manifestly showcases the continuation of his legacy of pragmatic diplomacy and effective peace building. Pakistan remains hopeful that his earnest efforts will continue to contribute towards regional and global stability, particularly in the context of ongoing crises in the Middle East, including the humanitarian tragedy unfolding in Gaza and the deteriorating escalating situation involving Iran, Pakistan said in a statement. Though Trump had repeatedly claimed credit for stopping the fighting between India and Pakistan, New Delhi had maintained no third nation was involved in resolving the crisis and the talks were bilateral. Pakistan's move comes following Pakistan Army Chief Asim Munir's meeting with Trump. Munir met Trump at the White House on Wednesday. Trump, when asked about the Nobel Peace Prize on Friday, said he should be awarded it for a variety of reasons, including his work on India and Pakistan and arranging a treaty he said would be signed on Monday to end hostilities between the Democratic Republic of Congo and Rwanda. I should have gotten it 4 or 5 times. They won't give me a Nobel Peace Prize because they only give it to liberals, the US president said. The relationship between India and Pakistan worsened in the aftermath of the Pahalgam terror attack on April 26. As many as 26 persons were killed in the attack in Jammu and Kashmir's Pahalgam. India launched Operation Sindoor on May 7 to avenge the killings and attack terror launch pads at 9 locations along the line of control. After days of heightened military tensions, India and Pakistan decided to stop firing on May 10.